This doesn't look familiar. Wait, am I lost? Oh no, 20% battery?
You look lost.
I am lost, and my phone's about to die.
Use your phone.
Use it for what? There's nothing here. How could it know where I am?
It's not using the ground, it's using the sky. Satellites are constantly sending signals.
I can't see anything.
Your phone can. Each signal carries time.
Time doesn't help me get home.
Those signals travel at the speed of light. If you know how long the signal traveled, you know how far it traveled.
So my phone measures distance. That's
Exactly. One satellite only tells you you're somewhere in this area.
still way too big.
2 satellites narrow it down. 3 changes everything.
That's it. That's exactly where I am. So it's not guessing, it's calculating. I made it home. Physics brought me home.